Core system libraries failing because of the Ninput Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist, and I'll show you exactly how to restore your stability. Before starting the detailed Ninput library fix, check the description for a professional tool to help align your library paths. This is the Ninput library, the native input library. It manages unmanaged routines for advanced touch, pen, and multi-modal input. It facilitates the orchestration of input data link manifests for the Windows shell and modern apps. Since we've covered what this file is, let's move to the primary fix. Since this involves a protected library, we should use the standard Windows repair protocol. Execute sfc/scannow from an elevated command prompt to detect registry inconsistencies and repair files like Ninput Library DLL. If the redistributable repair didn't resolve the pop-up, the next logical step is to analyze the local environment for process conflicts. A simple restart can resolve file-in-use errors that mimic a missing Ninput library message. It's a low-effort step that ensures your operating system starts with a clean execution stack. Don't forget to bookmark the video or give it a like before you restart. It's the fastest way to jump right back into this tutorial after the reboot. If the initial power cycle failed to restore functionality, we will now proceed to infrastructure-level support. You may pause the video now to ensure your environment is ready. Since that library file is still unresponsive after the restart, we'll run a repair on the coding environment. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. Before concluding, I want to address a critical security consideration for maintaining your system's integrity. A quick warning, many sites offering Ninput Library DLL are actually distributing modified files that can track your keystrokes and compromise your passwords. To support your system's overall health without the complexity of manual directory management, a maintenance utility is a solid option. If system alerts or resource lag are present, the resource below outlines maintenance considerations related to Ninput Library. I'm Sophie Chen. If we've successfully stabilized your environment and resolved Ninput Library error, please subscribe and join our community of technical professionals.